Come on, Monty. Be a good boy.
She's taking pictures of the boys.
Yeah, Louie's got some pictures too. Okay, be good. Oh. Stand, buddy.
You know this one.
Jeanette, oh. Good boy. He's not happy about being in there at the moment, though.
He's having his bits felt.
Standing good, though.
Yeah.
Oh, and I moved. Oh, shake it off.
Yeah, you don't want that colour on it.
No, he's not used to it. Did you just take treats from him?
No.
Aww.
There you go.
Good boy. There, he's loosening up on his tail now. Way to go, buddy.